Nga pasalamatan ang mga coordinators ni atong dakong kalihukan. Pinagi nila ni Marites Seno Camacho. Ato bakpakan si Marites o si Bimbim. O kisa pang uban, kisa pa yung pangyalalay. O si Tita Esther. Ato sila pakpakan, ngingin sila. Ha? Mao gyud nag-coordinate. So, kinsa to'y magpakasal din ha ninyo hala, duulan ni sila. Aron sila mo yung coordinator. Okay. Isa mga kamot, mga asawa, palihog. Mga asawa, be, palihog. Gawas ni Tita Aging. Mga asawa, be, gamay ng mga asawa din, eh. Mga kabit, palihog, mga kabit. Don't be shy. Come on, mga kabit. Ay, nakawaw. Oy, tuwa daw ko ito asluyo. Okay. Kay doon naman ko may request nga mukanta. Kunya, dili biya ko singer. Apan kay special man ng yurong kalihukanan nato kay Golden Wedding Anniversary man. Bisag dili ko angayan nga muawit na lang yung ko ahat. Musugot mo dili?
Ahat? Ahat daw, ahat.
Dili pa ng ahat pugos. Okay, kining awita theme song ni sa pelikula The Ten Commandments starring Alma Moreno. Kisay kakita atong Ten Commandments?
Wa ko.
Mao man ni, theme song ni. I'd like to dedicate this song to myself and I hope I like it. Salamat sa inyong masipag pakpak. Alang sa kaslunon pa niya. You are the love of my life.
Wow.
Okay. This is a very religious song. So magkahilak mo, okay rag mo hilak mo. You are the love of my life, the enemy of my wife.
Starring Sam Costanilla.
You ask me how to be strong, although I know I was wrong. You are the love of my life,
The enemy of my wife.
the woman next to my wife.
Next to my wife.
If my wife is by my side, my darling, you better hide. You are for the daytime, my wife for the nighttime. Even if I have no time, I will give you short time. You are the love of my life, the enemy of my wife. I'll spend my money for two, my wife and you.
Very good.
Okay. Nay, binisaya, anak. Ang trato ko, upiyong, kun hagkan ko muotong, ug molis ngag ang ilong, kun gakson ko piiton, kun di ka magminyo, daghan kag bation, mag-imagination, inigsuol sa puson, dunay uban hidlaon, kun bugnaw ang panahon, sa CR ang buhaton, dunay look-lookon. Salamat sa inyong masipang pakpak. Okay. Dunay mohatag og greetings, birthday wishes pa, no? Onya, magpasalamat yun ta og nalipay kay ta kay bisan sa kalayo pa sa pila ka milya nga ilang gibiyahe aron lang makaabot dinhi niagyod sila. And of course, angay og matarong gayon nga ato paminawon sa ilang mensahe ang mga anak sa atong golden couple. So, friends, ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome for her message, Joy! Joy to the world! Dali, Joy! A big hand for Joy. Saan yung pagka... Saan yung mga apelido? Dubai?
Dubai.
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 By the way, gikan sa Rekos Qatar, no? Qatarman.
Qatarman.
Ikaw gikas
Summer.
Dubai. Dubai? Dubay. Okay.
Sa Ohio.
So friends, pakpakan na to si Joy.
Amo ka nagsulti na ako. Kalit-kalit, 22 oras ko sa Japan. Di ko takwat ko. Pero I'd like to thank everyone who came here tonight and share this once-in-a-lifetime moment with us. Jonathan, pag-andam din ha, kay sunod. Tagsara dyan, sila nga, tagsara dyan lagi ko no kayo ng 50. And that's why we really took the time to be here, even just for like a short time to be with Mama and Papa. For Jonathan, I think it's 7 days, and me, it's 6 days. So for the next few days, mag-bonding me and whatever. But we are so grateful na kamong tanan ni Anhi Dinhi, and you came for, when we sent you those invitations. And it's, I know it's very, I mean, they both are very happy to see you. Silang duha, malipayon kay sila nga nakakita ninyo kay sa mga past nila nga, from the past, right, from the very start, from 0 to 50, kamong tanan at different ages, dinha mo sa ilang life. At different stages of their life, dinha mo with them. Like, parihan nila, for better or for worse, they stayed together, and then all of you were there for them, for better or for worse. So we are very grateful that you have shared this special occasion with us. So thank you so much.
Way balibaray, mao na nagkanindot kay Girl Scout Mangunas Joy. O niya, Cub Scout. Oh, so, by the way, nagsabot na dahil sa ni Tita Aging o ni Tio Jaime nga 50 years from now, mamalig ta din for ikapila naman ang 100.
100
Karon golden man ang 50, no? Unsa man ang 100, Tita? Ha? Century. Mamalig ta. No, sa 2063, tuig 2063, mamalig ta din ako gihapoy MC ninyo. Okay na, nagsabot nami. So, please come back, no? Yan ang tuiga, mamalig ta din Okay. Yan, kabaw mo, doon na magutoy anak ba? Doon na'y anak, kaya naghiskot yung tag-anak pasultihon. Ang katong anak, babae, siya, Mami, muanto kong SM, mami ha, magmuling ko, mami. Ingunan, oo niya, kung sa kang orasan muli, uy, wapay 12 midnight, mami, muli na ko. Amaw ba? Kisa may mong kuyog. Ay, so safe kay kong kuyog, mami. Akong close friend nga seminarista, hapit na manggani na mapari, mami. Ayaw kabala ka, mami. Safe kay ko kay seminarista biya na, mami. O, sige, kuyog dito. Di ba ni, imo biyang amahan, obispo ka niya to. Okay. Bay, maminaw taglaing anak big, ikam naglaing nason, pero ang iyang slang, dili yun kayo klaro.
May kani siya, no?
Abigan for Jonathan! Okay. Nagpataas yung buhok.
Good evening.
Mayong gabi
Okay. Salamat sa tanan niyan hindi ng gabi una. I'll take this opportunity also to thank my parents. Growing up on a Bilianas house is not that easy. I could still remember the first time I asked permission to watch a movie with my friends. That was around second year high school. I end up, my friends watching it Ultra Vistarama. Kinumdum ko mo ng lugar. My friend watching the Hook movie. I was ended in Fairmont, Kinaningin. I don't understand first nga nung i-train ko sa kong inahan, nga di ko ganahan. But when I start working overseas, I realized I was trained, my mom put me a good foundation so I know how to face it with at ease. So, first 6 months sa New Zealand, I was all alone. And yet, all the training that my mom gave me sink in, and everything just so easy to move. Pag-budget sa kwarta and everything. And I was just laughing at myself na during those teenage years, kapuya o toy man karon murag sayo na toy. Murag sayo I was happy that my mom never gave up to me and my dad keep pushing me. So